Hello and welcome to the Title IV Part A Safe and Healthy Students webinar. I'm Layla Brewer, Title IV Part A Program Consultant at the Kentucky Department of Education. The purpose of the Safe and Healthy Students section of the Title IV Part A grant is to improve school conditions for student learning. The Title IV Part A grant requires that districts that receive $30,000 or more must conduct a comprehensive needs assessment to select activities based on the results of that assessment. With an allocation over $30,000, districts must spend at least 20% of their total allocation to support safe and healthy students. Funds must be supplemental and cannot supplant state or local funds or be used to support activities that are required by state or local law. As part of the comprehensive needs assessment, the district needs to determine needs based upon local data. They also need to identify school student population or overall district needs, and decide supplemental activities that will address identified needs. District also needs to make sure to maintain documentation at the district level that is readily available in case of a monitoring event. Title IV Part A funds may be used for any program or activity that fosters safe, healthy, supportive, and drug-free school environments, including direct student services and professional development and training for school staff. Some ways funds may be utilized is bullying and harassment prevention, relationship building skills, school dropout prevention, reentry programs and transition services for justice involved youth, school readiness and academic success, and child sexual abuse awareness and prevention. This is a summary of topics that may be supported, but this is not an exhaustive list of all the ways Title IV Part A funds can be used to support safe and supportive schools. Other authorized topics include reducing exclusionary discipline practices and promoting positive school discipline, suicide prevention, violence prevention, crisis management and conflict resolution, preventing human trafficking, building school and community relationships, and culturally responsive teaching and professional development of implicit bias. Funds may be used to support student physical and mental health, including drug and violence prevention, health and safety practices in school or athletic programs, school-based mental health services, healthy, active lifestyle and nutrition education, physical activities, trauma-informed classroom practices, preventing use of alcohol, tobacco, and electronic cigarettes, and chronic disease management. Some allowable expense examples include salaries for individuals providing supplemental supports, contracts with local agencies or outside organizations, professional learning opportunities or trainings, and these cannot be used for required district trainings or the required 24 hours of professional learning, supplemental instructional resources, and all expenses must be reasonable in cost, necessary in completing the needs-based program, allocable to the grant, documented, and supplemental. This isn't an exhaustive list for how funds may be utilized. If you have questions on allowable expenses, please contact your KDE Title IV Part A consultant. Districts are required to evaluate their programs for effectiveness. Programs funded through Title IV Part A should be evaluated periodically during the school year to determine if it's being effective in addressing the identified needs. This allows the opportunity to adjust the program implementation to ensure effectiveness. The district will need to document the evaluation process and maintain the documentation in case of a monitoring event. For more information on the Title IV Part A program, please visit the KDE Title IV Part A webpage for webinars and additional resources to help you implement your Title IV Part A program. Thank you.